These tiny red rectangles at the corner are called comments in older versions of Excel, and in newer versions like Office 365 these are called notes. These are used for annotation purpose, and these are called comments, which are purple in color. Note and comment are two different things. Note is used for annotation purpose for yourself, whereas in comment, other member or user from different location can input text or reply from his or her system. You can access note or comment from review menu, and from comment and note tab you can use it. You can also use shortcut key combination of Shift plus F2 to insert note. Press Shift plus F2 and this small text box will open with the username at the beginning. You can resize it and you can type in here. When you are outside of this box, it will leave a small red corner, and if you hover over this cell, it will display the text you entered here. This is default condition. As this is default condition, it can be customized. You will see that soon. Deleting is easy. Right click and delete it. Another way to insert a note is to right click your mouse and from this menu select new note. Once the note is created, if you right click on this cell, you will get three options: edit note, delete note and show and hide note. If you want to display the note always, click show and hide note. It will be displayed. Unlike default condition which is hiding the text. Now if you select new comment, you will get a small window. Here you can mention any colleague by his or her email ID, and you can ask for information or give some information. Now press this send icon. That person will receive this information if this file is shared in OneDrive. Also, you can post your view and then share this with another user of this file, and there he can reply your comment or view. You can use any medium like email or WhatsApp or other file transfer application. Same functionality you can get from right clicking your mouse. Now let's suppose I need to filter the cells with note. So turn on filter, and there is nothing to filter these notes. We need to think differently. Press Ctrl G, click on spatial, then from go to window select note if not selected, although it is the default condition. Click OK. This act will select the cells with note. Now it becomes simple. Just color the selected cell and use filter by color. If you try to print these note, it will not be printed. However, you can print note using these steps. Step 1. Display all the note from Review tab, Notes, Show all notes. Step 2. Open Page Setup window, click on Select tab and select as displayed in Sheet, Notes only. Now print preview and the notes are visible. So that's all for now. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.